Hi everyone, me again. I'm gonna work on my bike again, and now it's the time for new hitters. So here they are. You are from eBay. It was for 170 euros. And what I have done, if you have seen my unbox video, I have welded these up. Thank you to my brother, my twin brother, Marcel Wouters. He's a very good guy, and he welded these up. It's more solid, more stronger, because I didn't trust these tags, and then if they break off, so all of them are done. Here it's strong enough, and then underneath, so they're all done. It was a little bit of work for my brother, but let's gonna do this. I'm gonna do this in steps. So I work and then put the camera down. There are a lot of installing reviews, but this is mine. So now I'm gonna take these off. First I'm gonna do a comparison, of course. Comparison of a stock. These cans come back for Black Friday, the other ones, but now it's just the headers. It's a cold start. Just a cold start, and not gonna warm everything up, but yeah, you know what a stock bike sounds like, you guys. So now I'm gonna see with the new headers, and then almost 23 is this month for Black Friday, and then I can order the other ones, and then it's another install video, but for now it's just the header install. I'm gonna tear up my bike, and then I'm gonna see it further. Okay, small update. The mufflers are off. Now I'm gonna, of course, everybody wanna hear how it sounds like with no mufflers on it. It's better than stock, so now I'm gonna do the rest of the bike, and then I can put the new one on. And for removing the O2 sensor, I bought this also Chinese Chinese tool. What the hell is the hell? Focus further. Okay, this is a O2 sensor remover, like that, like that. Okay, I'm playing with you guys. It was already loosened because it was pretty stuck. But you get the idea. Okay, you have different tools, but this is 6 or 7 euros. Here, now it's in focus. 22. So very good and a handy tool for removing these ones. Carry on. For you guys wondering, this is a 12 millimeter socket, and mine are very loose. Maybe it's a small tip, to warm up a little bit your headers, to making loosen the bolts, I don't know. But they're all loose now. Okay guys, they are now off. So it was not that difficult. But now I'm gonna do a comparison of these, how much bigger they are. These pipes. So these are the pipes, and they are a lot bigger. A lot. Okay, I take the good one. Take two. So this is the correct one. See how much bigger they are? More flow. A lot bigger. So I take a measuring tool. I got there, over there. I got one. So I'm gonna measure. The OEM ones. It's not in focus. God damn it. But I'm gonna say it for you guys. It's 32 millimeters. 32. Nah, it's not in focus, guys. Sorry, but it's 32 millimeters. Then if I take the other ones, put it between my legs. And then I'm gonna measure. Oh, damn it with the focus, man. But this is a lot bigger. It's 38 millimeters. So it's 5 millimeters difference. You always see it between. You're a lot bigger. So performance wise, it's a lot of an upgrade. So I'm gonna install these. It's a lot of heavier because the catalytic converter is gone, but the Chinese are not that bad. The most of our concern is this bracket, because I have a very small one, and you know what you get what you paid for. So I'm not sure how it's gonna fit. It's try and error. So but I'm gonna try put this whole bunch together, and then we're gonna see how far we get. If you see one exhaust there, the other one is dangling because it's on the cables, and I need the cables for now. But I'm gonna try put it together, guys. Small update. Pipes are in. It was a struggle, but it's in. Now I'm gonna put the springs on, and then only problem what I had was the O2 sensor. And you can say, you know, you get what you paid for, but the O2 sensor is normally connected over here, and now it's on the other side, all over there. That's the problem. So maybe I can reroute this O2 sensor. Normally I don't need it because I have a power commander, but for the rest it fits. But first I'm gonna put the springs on it. That's gonna be a struggle, because I put it together, and I'm glad, very glad, that I welded these how do you spring hooks or whatever they're called. So I'm gladly I did this. So it's a small job, and then for the rest fitment goes all over there. But I'm gonna reroute the O2 sensor, and I put the springs on. I'll see you guys later. Holy hell, guys, that was a struggle. For pulling these springs, I had to remove the oil filter because I don't have any room with the oil filter in front of it. I can have no room to pull these two springs. Holy hell. But you're all done. Here also, you're done. I'm so glad I welded these up because it has a lot of force. And I took some good vice grips for yank on the spring and pull at it, because with the Chinese ones you have no tools. And also the O2 sensor is back on its place. I rerouted it. There's no problem. I have wire enough with the power commander, so that's also done. Okay guys, this is the first startup with no mufflers. Riz already on one, because I said I'm for the cables, but it's dangling over here. So first of all, I'm gonna say sorry to my neighbor because he's working in his garden and I'm gonna make a lot of noise for a few seconds, but we're gonna see. Close your ears. Okay, that's pretty loud, so I'm gonna put the mufflers on it. Holy hell. Okay guys, this is fully done. I got no clamps for these because the originals here are too big for here. But I got no leaks and it just temporarily, so don't complain over this because I know. But fully done. We're also fully done. No clamps over here. Doesn't matter. It's just for maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks for Black Friday, and then I got the other one. So I'm gonna start it up, and it's gonna be a lot quieter. Okay guys, this is my quick install for my eBay headers. If they work, they work, but there are 5mm difference of size, so they're a lot bigger. And I'm gonna put my bike back together, and hopefully for the Black Friday I get finally the other exhaust tips. And then it's fully done, and then I can do it on the dyno. I hear a small leak. I didn't, if you know it, listened on the camera, but I have a small leak. I'm gonna fix that and then torque them down. But this is my install of my eBay headers for my Z1000. Okay guys, if you like it, take a thumbs up. Well, it's not in focus, damn. But I'm gonna clean up my bike. See you in the next video, guys. Bye.